How to invite members to a Signal group. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are using Signal and want to invite more people to your group, then you can easily add members to your group in just a few simple steps. Firstly, open up the Signal app on your Android or iOS. And then once you're inside the main homepage after logging into Signal, go ahead and open up the group conversation you want to manage. I'm gonna open up this group conversation over here. Now go ahead and tap on the group's name at the top of the screen. On the next page, click on Add Members. Now, you can add members by finding them via username or by their phone number. Tap on any one option from the top. If you've selected phone number, enter their phone number. If you've selected username, type in their username in the text box. After typing it down, tap on Next at the top right corner. And after you find the contact, go ahead and tap on Update at the top right corner. Click on Add Member at the bottom and you will be able to add members directly. You can also add members by sharing a group invite link. From the same page, go ahead and scroll down and tap on Group Link. Toggle on the switch right next to Group Link and then click on Share. You can share the group link by choosing the Share via Signal option and select the contact you want to add to the group. You can also share it by tapping on Copy Link and the link will be copied in your device's clipboard. You can then share it to anyone using an app such as Messages, email, or another supported app to share the link. The next thing you can do is to use the QR code option. After you tap on QR code, a QR code will be generated for your account. Tap on Share Code and choose a contact you want to invite. After selecting the contact through any medium such as SMS, WhatsApp, or any other messaging application, and you can also add a caption if you want, and tap on the little green icon at the bottom right to send in the QR code to the contact. Another way you can do is to simply tap Share and choose any contact you want, which you can select from the contact options over here, or you may also go ahead and share it via email, messages, and so on. So that way you can invite members to a Signal group. Remember, only group administrations can add members or manage invite links in group where admin approval is required. Now, once you do that, you'll also be able to see this Require Admin Approval option. If you want to require an admin to approve new members joining via the group link, you can toggle on this switch and then share your group link to your friends. So that's how you easily add members and invite them to your group. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.